Hello good people, how are you? I hope you are all well. Welcome back to this channel, of course with me, nutritionist Lucy Chege. Thank you for consuming my content, subscribing, commenting and also liking my videos. I am grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button. You join this nutrition family. So today we are doing something. We are not cooking. Today we are going to blend, and today we are going to prepare something for our immune system. We are going to do an immune boosting smoothie because our health, as you say, it's our wealth. You need to take care of your health. You also need to take care of the foods that you are eating. And to make sure that you are boosting your immune system, it is important to take foods that boost the immune system, and these are antioxidant containing foods. Let me introduce you to my ingredients. They are very simple, they are affordable, accessible, they are all over. So you're not going to use ingredients that you cannot access. So this is what you're going to use. So this is what we have. We are going to use a watermelon. I'm going to write apple juice. I write the health benefits of each of the ingredients that I'm using. We are going to use the watermelon. We have a mango. Ni season ya mango, so make use of them. Tengeneza the mango juices. Just make use of the mangoes in their seasonal. And also, of course, we have an avocado. We have some bananas, and of course, today's recipe, the immune boosting recipe, is carrot smoothie. And of course, we have our carrots here. And note, our carrots, they are fried or they are pre-cooked. Reason being, carrots, they are a good source of vitamin A. And to be specific, the beta-carotene that the body converts into active vitamin A. And to increase the bioavailability of vitamin A or the beta-carotene, it is well absorbed in the body when cooked. Because vitamin A or the beta-carotene, it is a fat-soluble vitamin. So when tunakulanga raw carrots, eyesight nini, you're going to benefit more from the vitamins in the carrot when you cook them. So it is very important to note that. So our carrots, they are pre-cooked for better bioavailability of beta-carotene in our body. And beta-carotene are very strong antioxidant. Antioxidant, I think I have mentioned them like 1,000 times. What antioxidant does to our body, they scavenge of the free radicals. Because the main purpose of foods that they boost the immune system is to reduce the inflammation and also to reduce the oxidative stress. And beta-carotene does that job very well. So our carrots, the beta-carotene, very strong antioxidant. So let's prepare. I think I'm going to start with the melon. Of course, you're not going to use the whole of it. Just going to use a piece. And also, watermelon, they're a good source of antioxidant we call the lycopene. And also a very strong antioxidant, the lycopene. It is well available in watermelons. Lycopene utaipata kwa tomatoes, tree tomatoes, hizi matunda za damu, watermelon, and it is a very strong antioxidant. Na tutakatakatia melon hapa. That's our watermelon and carrots. I think now we can add the rest of the ingredients. This is our avocado. The avocado, the health benefits, good source of healthy fats, the heart-friendly fats. So you can never go wrong with an avocado. Just going to add a piece. Can peel our mangoes, our mango. Ndivyo tu siwezi blend the skin. Ndio blend too because of the fiber content. By the way, any fruit which has edible skin, please eat it. Hivyo hata hizi peels naona tu nikizichangamkia because they're good source of fiber. So that's our mango. I'm going to add a piece. So sitengenezi smoothie mingi. Just a piece. And please maximize on the mangoes in the market. Kasa hizi imetokea. Instead of buying the mango juices, kwa supermarket, you can make your mango juice. And this is our banana. I think I'm just going to add one. Don't need a lot. Bananas, they're also good source of vitamin C, vitamin E, a very strong antioxidant, and also potassium. We know the role of potassium when it comes to regulating our blood pressure. So if you're watching this, maybe your mom is hypertensive or you yourself, banana, it's a must-have food item in your diet. It will help to regulate your blood pressure. And our smoothie is now ready to serve. And you see it has taken the color of the carrots. It's actually, this is orange. So that's our smoothie, the carrot smoothie for immune boosting. Let me get to know the comment section what you think about my juice, and also what are you doing during this festive season to ensure that you keep healthy and also you boost your immune system. Like I said, don't compromise your immune system just because it's a festive season. Take care. As much as you are eating goodies, please make sure you're having such recipes. I'm going to add is it a teaspoon? A tablespoon of chia seeds. Like that. Chia seeds, good source of omega-3 fatty acids and soluble fiber and other vitamins. So this is my smoothie. Let me get to know the comment section what you think about it, and also which other recipe would you like me to try here on this channel. And for sure, I'm going to try out. So this is our recipe, very healthy, yummy, with all the antioxidants that your body requires to fight those free radicals so that you can reduce the oxidative stress and also reduce the inflammation. So that's all for today. Get interactive in the comment section. Like this video, share widely because we want to build a healthy nation. Give this video a like and also subscribe so that you can be part of this nutrition family. Bye.